Hi, Bob here from Pure Market Restaurant, cooking at home. I'm making one of my favorite appetizers, our local king salmon quesadilla. Super fun one to make, very quick. I took some local king salmon, seasoned it up with some blackened spices and salt on the grill. Just take a flour tortilla, any kind of cheese you want, put a little bit of layer down on the bottom. Then I like to take my salmon and kind of just chunk it on, spread it out nice and even. Then I roasted some red pepper over the fire, peeled it, plugged that on. Roasted red pepper gives it a little sweetness, fresh cilantro, and a tad more cheese so that your top layer of tortilla will stick. Then we're gonna close that up and put it over on a hot griddle. Griddle that up for, I don't know, 2-3 minutes aside, depending on how hot it is. I have one ready to go right here. I'm gonna cut it up into 4 chunks. Serve it up on a plate. I like to serve it with a little cilantro lime cream. Take a little sour cream, fresh cilantro, lime juice. Mix it up. And a little fresh roasted tomato salsa that we roasted on the grill. Tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and a couple lime wedges, and you're ready to go. Salmon quesadilla, enjoy.